tell us about Ponyo? About our catamaran? No?
Now, what is this hatch for? So when you go on the Ponyo boat, what is this hatch for?
What's here? Yeah, and whose room is there? That's your room? Right, do you wanna... Oh, what's up here? Can you tell us more about the boat? There's the barbecue. Yeah, so this is the place where we have our breakfast. Yeah, and this is where we have dinner and watch sunset from. Yeah, Nico is having her afternoon snack. We'll go inside later. Can you show us more about the instruments? Right, this is where we steered the boat from.
Yeah, there's a compass.
You can sit on this, jump on the seat and tell us more.
Pilot.
Where's the autopilot?
Here.
That's the autopilot.
That's the autopilot. That's the compass. There's engines. This is the spin wheel. That's how deep it is and how many knots. And this is how many knots.
Yeah, that's the wind direction.
Yeah.
And this is our map. Yeah, that shows us where we are.
The pegs.
Pegs, very important.
And there's the fruit stand and fruit in it.
Yep. Okay.
Now.
So you were saying something about barbecue. Can you show us what's at the back of the boat? Yeah, go there and
Barbecue, solar panels.
Solar panels.
And dinghy.
Yeah, that's our dinghy that takes us ashore.
Yeah.
And to the cool reef to go diving and snorkeling.
Yeah. Trees and that.
Where's the life raft? Can you show us where's the life raft?
Here's life raft.
There's the life raft.
Yeah.
And here we got some dive tanks and spare water.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go walk to the front of the boat. Trampoline. What do you like to do on the trampoline?
Just jump on it.
Like that? Yep. And do we watch dolphins from here? Yep. And we got a nice profile furler over here. And the bowsprit for the Parasail or Cruisair. And there's Nicole. Can you climb up and show us what's up there? I'll just show quickly. So we got a couple of winches at the mast. There's one winch. There's another winch. So all the controls, we raise sails and we reef sail, mainsail at the mast. And here we have a batten cars for the main, very low friction, very easy to hoist and drop the sail. And we've got all our 3 reefing lines, and that's outhaul, and that's our main sheet. Okay, we'll go up. Yep. Can you show us how do you like to sit on top of the sail bag and watch what's happening around? I think you need to go on the other side. Yeah, that is the best view from up there. And up the mast we have what, Fijian flag? And we have a radar, a Raymarine radar. Yeah. And there's Nicole having fun on a sail. And up there we have a wind generator. And we got a lot more solar. There's a bit here. Yep, solar panels everywhere.
Yeah. And pictures of Ponyo.
There's a lot of clever details in the boat, like all the lines, they all go into sort of their own special compartments, so you don't have any lines messing on a deck. It's all neatly stowed away. Same with all the riffing lines, and there's another second winch that we use for the riffing of the main. And again, yeah, they all disappear in that space. This is our chain locker. It's pretty big. So here's the chain locker. This is our new windlass Maxwell RC10, very good windlass. Here we got a new Italian chain, 10 mil, about 60 meters of chain, and we also have a secondary, like a backup chain and a rod, and we have a backup fortress anchor. This is our gas storage, mooring lines, a spare outboard for the dinghy, and there is the main gas locker. And so this is where the chain roller and the anchor goes to. So here we also got access, deck access to the two forward bow compartments that we use as a storage. So this one has our fenders, more mooring lines. This is where we keep sort of empty jerry cans. It's pretty big locker, and has a easy deck access. And same on the other side. So just show. Yep, there's another locker on this side, and yeah, lots of stuff here. That's the shade for the cockpit, and yeah, there's a lot of windsurf, all sorts of water toys, and other stuff goes here. So this is the engine compartments. So here's our Volvo 30 horsepower Volvo diesels. That's the a hot water tank heating from the engine. We got starter batteries for generator and the engine, and spare oil and coolant. In the cockpit, just show. So in the cockpit there's another big locker compartment under the seat. So, and yeah, there's a whole bunch of stuff that goes into this. That's where we keep it. Drains outside, vents outside, so we keep all our petrol for the dinghy outboard, spare diesel, spare water, and a whole bunch of kind of chemicals and things. They all go into this big locker under the seat. And now Michelle will show us inside of the boat. Yeah? So this is coming from the cockpit into the main saloon. Michelle, can you show us what do we have here? Yeah, there's a mat saying welcome aboard.
Yeah.
And here we got the galley with its two sinks. Yeah, and this is the filtered water. This is just hot and cold. Yeah, hot and cold water. There's very sort of useful area where you can dry dishes, and sort of like a bar area. Yeah, Michelle, can you go and show us where do we cook food?
We cook food here. That's our can. That's our kettle.
There's our stove and the kettle, and there's a lot of storage inside here, and we got some storage here. Yep, lots of storage here.
I want to look at this.
And there's the rubbish bin.
Rubbish bin.
Yep.
Sink.
And what is that switch?
Switching off
The gas. Yep.
Switching off the gas. And that's
mint, fan.
and
Yeah. Can you show us the fridge? Where's the fridge?
the fridge here of stuff.
Yeah, it's very big and deep fridge.
Yeah.
Very big fridge.
Uh,
And
hat.
yep, hats. There's a table with the main settee. And again, there's underneath the seats, there's a lot of storage there. This is where we keep most of our kind of food stores. And very good ventilation through this big opening hatches. And we got pretty much 360-degree view. So often on the passage, we just do our watch from here. Yes, from a sheltered space. And we can see all our instruments, sort of wind, speed, and we usually run on this iPad, we run the navionics chart, and this is our generator controls, inverter, AC power system, DC power system, yeah, a VHF radio, and a bit more storage there. Okay, Michelle, can you show us into in this hall? Yeah, so we're going down here. Yeah, there's one bedroom with yeah, this is the kind of lots of shelf space and a big shelf over there. A new mattress, new bed, and a lot of storage under the bed here. It goes all the way. Okay. Actually, let's look at the toilet first. Yeah, the escape hatch, and this is where you can see. What do you see in the escape hatch?
Remoras.
Yeah, remoras and other fishies. So this is the electric toilet.
Yeah.
There's a big holding tank behind, sort of right over there. Yeah, this is the toilet controls. We can have shower here. There's a sump. And again, hot and cold water. Yep, a bit more shelf. There's a lot of storage under there. Okay, I'm gonna show forward room.
Clothes.
Yep, baby clothes and a big hanging locker. Yeah, there's more shelves.
And blanket.
Blanket. Yep.
This.
Yeah. Then we got a washing machine.
Yeah, washing machine.
Yeah.
Dryer.
And a bed for Nicole.
Yeah.
And underneath here, what do we have under there?
Storage.
The water maker.
Water maker.
Yeah, water maker is over there.
Yeah.
So there. Makes a lot of good fresh water.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go look at the other hall.
Yeah. Toilet.
Yeah, another toilet.
Yeah.
Yeah, very similar sort of configuration.
Yeah.
And this toilet is manual.
Yeah.
Yes, Japska manual toilet.
Yeah.
And can you show us this room?
That has
Yeah, that's another big room at the back. Again, more shelves, a lot of storage, lots of storage here under the bed. And we also have a generator under the bed. There's 6 kilowatt diesel generator, northern lights.
Yeah.
Okay, can you show us the coolest room on the boat?
Doing this.
Okay, so show us the favorite room on the boat.
This.
So what do you call this room?
Playground.
Yeah, this is Lego room, right? This is a playroom for kids.
Yeah.
There's lots of toys with Lego, lots of space, lots of light and stars. And here, this is our sort of hanging locker for wet weather gear and a whole bunch of other stuff. And there's a lot of storage under the bed. This is where we keep all our spares and tools. Yeah, it goes all the way under the bed. And yeah, that's pretty much the whole tour of the boat. Yeah, you've seen everything. If you would like to see more, come over and have a look.